Explained, Claude's role in DevOps automation. Today, we will learn how Claude integrates into DevOps workflows to facilitate automation, enhancing deployment strategies and minimizing errors.
Did you know that automation in DevOps can reduce errors by up to 70%? Today, we'll explore how Claude, an advanced AI tool, plays a pivotal role in streamlining DevOps workflows. From automating tedious tasks to optimizing deployment strategies, Claude is revolutionizing the way teams operate. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of Claude's integration, its key features, and how you can leverage it to enhance your DevOps processes. Claude is an AI-driven tool designed to automate and optimize DevOps workflows. Originating as a solution to streamline repetitive tasks, Claude utilizes machine learning to adapt and improve over time. It provides a robust platform for managing deployments, ensuring that updates are seamless and error-free. In DevOps, Claude can be integrated to monitor system performance, predict potential failures, and suggest optimizations. This adaptability allows teams to focus on innovation rather than mundane tasks, thus improving productivity and efficiency.
Claude offers a suite of features specifically tailored for DevOps environments. It excels in automated task execution, allowing teams to schedule and manage operations without manual intervention. Real-time monitoring provides insights into system performance, enabling quick responses to any anomalies. Predictive analytics help foresee potential issues before they escalate, saving time and resources. Furthermore, Claude seamlessly integrates with existing tools, ensuring a smooth transition and scalable solutions for growing demands.
Claude is designed to integrate effortlessly with a wide range of existing DevOps tools such as Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. By using its APIs and plugins, teams can enhance their current workflows without significant disruptions. The integration process is straightforward, often involving simple configuration changes and minor scripting. Once integrated, Claude complements these tools by providing additional insights and automation capabilities, ultimately leading to more efficient and reliable operations. Deploying new updates and features can be a daunting task, often prone to errors and delays. With Claude, these processes become significantly smoother. Claude automates deployments, ensuring that each step is executed correctly and efficiently. It supports continuous integration, allowing for frequent and reliable releases. In case of any issues, automated rollback features can revert changes swiftly, minimizing downtime and disruption. This level of automation not only reduces errors but also improves delivery speed, keeping your applications competitive and up to date. Security is a critical aspect of any DevOps workflow. Claude enhances security by providing continuous monitoring and automated threat detection. It identifies vulnerabilities in real time and applies necessary patches automatically, ensuring your systems remain secure. Additionally, Claude conducts regular compliance checks, making sure that all operations adhere to industry standards. In the event of a security incident, Claude is equipped to respond promptly, mitigating risks and protecting your infrastructure from potential breaches. Investing in Claude for your DevOps automation comes with an upfront cost, but the long-term savings and benefits far outweigh the initial expenditure. By optimizing resources and improving operational efficiency, Claude delivers a substantial return on investment. Reduced downtime and fewer errors translate to significant savings, while the scalability offered by Claude supports future growth. This cost-benefit analysis demonstrates that while the initial investment may seem high, the enhancements in productivity and reliability make it a worthwhile expenditure.
Let's look at some real-world examples where Claude has made a significant impact. Company A, for instance, saw a 50% increase in deployment efficiency after integrating Claude. Similarly, Company B reduced its error rate by 30%, resulting in significant cost savings. Enhanced security measures implemented by Claude helped Company C avoid a potential data breach, protecting sensitive information and maintaining customer trust. These case studies highlight the tangible benefits of using Claude in DevOps workflows, showcasing its ability to deliver positive ROI and drive success.
The future of AI in DevOps is incredibly promising. As AI technologies continue to evolve, their role in automation and optimization will only grow. Emerging technologies like machine learning and natural language processing will further enhance DevOps workflows, enabling even greater levels of efficiency and innovation. However, with these advancements come potential challenges, such as ethical considerations and the need for upskilling. Despite this, the opportunities for innovation are vast, and organizations that embrace AI, like Claude, will be well positioned to lead in this exciting new era. In conclusion, Claude has a transformative impact on DevOps, offering automation, improved efficiency, and enhanced security. We've explored its key features, integration capabilities, and real-world success stories. Now, it's your turn to explore Claude further and see how it can benefit your organization. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and leave a comment on what you'd like to learn next. Your feedback helps us bring you more valuable content.